Yo guys, it's Jay. Just want to talk about the new car I just purchased. It's a 2013 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 turboed. I've actually always wanted this car. It's a really cool looking car. Also, not a lot of people have it and stuff, and it's very underrated as well. I think it's a really nice looking car. But there's a few things that I don't like about the car. I'll give you a run around about the stuff that actually I bought it from the dealer, and there was a few things done to it that I did do myself. Like for these rims, they're okay. Not my type of taste of rims. I'm gonna change those out later. And the tires, and also came with a custom exhaust catback. Nice burnt tips, but not. I'm not a fan of the sound. It's okay, but it's not that great. I plan on doing a lot to it. Let's see. Also, the cold air intake as well. There's one already in the vehicle when I purchased the car. It's an engine cold air intake short ram, and it also has a blow-off valve as well. Let me show you guys that. And here's one thing I really don't like about the car is the hood vents. They're stock like that off the factory. They're non-functional, which kind of flows. You could buy functional vents for like about 150 bucks online, GC tuner, but it sucks that you actually have to go out of your way. Oh shit, sorry, car is really hot. You have to go out of your way to buy functional hood vents, and they come non-functional. Here's the cold air intake, which I'm actually glad it came with this, because I was gonna plan on getting this exact cold air intake and blow-off valve. Other than that, besides the exhaust, blow-off valve, and the intake, it's pretty much stock, which I'm glad about, so I could start doing things myself. I already ordered a few things on the car. I got some tail lights I'm going to do, and also the trunk. I actually purchased a nice carbon fiber one, trunk and a wing. It's molded on already. And then the tail lights also got some nice ones, so there's that. And also plan on doing replacing the back bumper. Gonna change the whole entire car basically. Let me show you guys the inside. The inside's not bad, just, you know, it's okay. I like it. It's nice. But there's some interior work I want to do, like the dash especially. Replace the dash with a nice touchscreen. And other than that, I'm not really a big on interior. It doesn't really bother me. I'm more of a performance type that I like to work on. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about the Genesis. If you think it's a good car, if it's your favorite car, or you like this car. All right, I'm out. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll show you guys some future more videos about the car and things I plan on doing to it. Peace.